In this video, I'm going to walk through the point-based system inside Assembly. The points typically by default are called trophies, but in most plans, you can customize the name of that currency. For this example, they're called carats, and that's what we use internally for the points. So how does this work? Inside Assembly, you can give each user both an allowance and or an earned balance. An allowance is a preset amount of points or carats in this example that they can give to other people either with recognition or in any other workflow inside Assembly. On the other end, the earned balance is a savings account. That's what they can save up over time. And if your organization chooses to, those can be then turned into rewards. As far as the rewards go, we only charge when a reward that is either a gift card, swag, or a charity is taken from points to a redemption. At that point, we charge face value for that reward. If the allowance, the monthly allotted amount, is not given out, nothing is charged. Those points just disappear. No transaction happens. Assembly does not charge a dime for that. Another fine point, if you only turn on culture rewards, in that case, everything is Monopoly money. Points transacted are then saved up and then can be redeemed. We just take those points out of circulation so they can't be used elsewhere, and your team can fulfill that. Again, nothing is charged on a charity, on a culture redemption. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.